Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline, and in today's video we're going to be doing a summer SHEIN try on haul. I purchased a few items that will look really nice and chic for the summer, where you look, you know, good, simple, expensive, but it's really not. We're gonna go ahead and try on some of these items. If this is your first time to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me on your timeline. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Okay, hey, without further ado, let's get into the video. So one of the first items I have on is this two-piece white and black stripes piece. So I actually wore this today. I have it tied up like this. It didn't come with the shirt underneath, so I added the shirt underneath. Everything I have on is in the size 1XL, which is size 14 for reference. I'm 5'1.5", and I'm like 200 pounds. This is what it's looking like, two-piece. The shirt is just as long as the shorts. It's really comfortable, and it's long sleeves like this, but I decided to roll it up, and I decided to tie it like this to make it look more chic and more cute. They fit, they have pockets, they're a little bit snuggish, depending on your body type, how it might fit on you. They do ride up a little bit when you are like sitting down, so you have to like kind of fix it. But this is what it's looking like. It's very comfortable. The material feels like a really good material. It's not like thin, but I did see some parts where it started to like the thread was starting to come off a little bit, but nonetheless, this is a very cute outfit, perfect for the summer. You could just tie it off like this and tuck it in like this. Now if you want to, you can wear an undershirt like I'm wearing, or you could just like button it up, but I thought the undershirt underneath would look really nice and cute. So this is very chic. This is what it looks like in the front, and this is what it looks like in the back. So, and it's pocket girl friendly. I love it. The next item I have on, this is a one-piece romper in black. I actually wore this the other day to play some tennis, so I actually like this. It's very nice and comfortable and airy, and it has the things underneath because it has pockets. So you know, when you're playing tennis, you can put some balls there, or you can put like your phone or whatever, and the pockets run deep, and I like that it has this underneath. This is so nice and comfortable, perfect for the summer. You could wear this out if you're running errands, but I actually like it to play tennis in. So yeah, it has these strings on the side, but there was no belt or anything that came along with it. Maybe if you want to add a belt, you can, but it didn't really come with one. Isn't it so cute? It's nice and airy, and it's black, so it can go with anything. And this is how long it is on me. Pants at the bottom, they do ride up a little bit as you move, so if you want to wear like extra shorts underneath for support, you can, but if not, they have support underneath. So yeah, I feel like I could have sized down a little bit if I want to be more snug, but it's comfortable the size that it is. So yeah, this is a summer pleated tie waist dress, size 14. Putting it on, you guys, this is what it looks like. I feel like it's a little bit too big. I could go for a size down to have it more fitted. I don't like the way it makes me look on the side right here. I want it to be more snug, you know, so like a little bit more snug. But it's the perfect color. Nice and simple. You just throw it on. This is how it's supposed to look in the front, like this. So yeah, it's big all around. It's very stretchy around the waist area, but if you want more of a tight snug, I would size down a little bit. But other than that, it's very classy. It's giving classy summer. Okay, the next item we have, these people and the fireworks. The next item we have on is this beautiful tan dress, you guys, but it ripped. I can't believe it. It ripped before I even put it on, you guys. This is what the dress is looking like. This is a perfect minimal chic dress, which looks expensive. It's giving everything nice, everything expensive, but it's so chic and just so simple. This is what it looks like at the bottom. It's very cute, very chic. I just can't believe it ripped. I love the details of the buttons here and the little pleated at the bottom. It just gives it that cute feminine girly type of look. This is another dress that we could be pulling up with. What do you guys think about this one? Yeah. It's like pleated over here, and then the top is like this. It does have for you to button it up on this side, and it has a button inside as well. This is how long it is. I don't know, maybe I could have sized down a little bit. It is a little bit loose. I guess if you want it more snug, you can size down, but I'm not mad at the loose part of it. I feel like it's missing something, maybe like a belt or something, but it's really simple, which is what we're going for. I don't know if because of the way my body is shaped, it's like it's not giving any shape in the back. Like I don't have anything, like I don't have no cut, no nothing. So it's just like, in my opinion, perfect for day out, brunch, something really nice to go to, you know. I like it. I also feel like you could wear it open up, like if you have something underneath. Well, I have my Spanx, but if you have something else underneath, this could be wear like a cardigan type of situation. Yeah, like open up like this. The next item I have on is this two-piece set. I originally wanted it in a tan color, but by the time it was time for me to check out, they sold out. As soon as this order shipped, it was back in stock. But this is what it's looking like in the color black. So I guess it's like a little halter top that goes around like this. So it's like a little vest. This is how long the vest is, and then it comes with like this long skirt. The skirt is very long, it's to the floor. It has a lot of material. I'm not too mad at it, it's very cute, but I feel like I would have liked it more in the nude color, which is now back in stock. I'll probably show you guys a picture of what the nude one looks like. This is what it would look like from the front and in the back. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not really entirely in love with it. I think I would have loved the other color better. It does come separate, so you could always pair this off with something else, so you could always mix and match. But yeah, the skirt is very long, like it's a lot, and this is in a 1X, and it touches the floor. Mind you, I'm 5'1.5", so it is touching the floor. So I guess if you wear heels, it won't touch the floor as much, but if you wear flats, it will definitely be dragging on the floor, honey, drag. Next item I have on, it's definitely giving IG baddie. Do they have TikTok baddies? Of course they do, duh. It's giving a baddie alert, okay? And I actually like it. It's giving bodycon, but I actually like the print, the material. The material is very thick. It's like a cotton material. I didn't think it was gonna be cotton. I thought it was gonna be more like the silk that SHEIN usually have, but this is like a heavy duty cotton material. Looks like it's painted on your girl, okay? It has the ruching on the side. I thought it was gonna have ruching more up here, but it's more at the bottom of the dress, and this is what it's giving in the back. And then it has the little thing in the front, which I love, you guys. Like, I don't have to have one on. It already has it. Okay, the girls don't have to be out. The girls are tucked and secured. I like that. What do you guys think about this dress? Comment down below, let me know. Where am I going with this outfit? Next item I have on is a complicated behind dress. Don't ask me how I got it on. Don't ask me for nothing, but I like it. It's very nice and flowy. Okay, it's flowy in the front as well. It's very cute, you guys. It's a very cute dress. Y'all, I didn't really know how to put this thing on, but it comes with, like, you have to tie something here, and then there's something that's already tied here, and I didn't want to mess it up. It's giving like a high low situation. This is how long it is. This is what the details are giving on the side. Your girl shaved. It's really nice and flowy and airy. It's giving angel of mine. Very cute. What do you guys think? Let's try on the red one. I have the red dress on. Why do I feel like the red dress is more loose than the other color, the tan? This is what the red one looks like on your girl. I actually like it. The same thing as well on both sides. It's giving the high-low. It's like a little flirty dress, right? The back And the belt on the side, yes. I like this dress. I like both colors, so I think I'm gonna keep both colors. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know. And it is perfect for the summer, perfect for a night out. It's cute, it's elegant, it's chic, it's giving summer, it's light and airy, it's not too thick. I love it. Next two items I have on, this is like a top that I got for a skirt that I have, but I don't think this is gonna go with it, and I'm wearing it with some pants from SHEIN. I have this shirt, this salmon pinkish skirt here, but the whole outfit put together is giving like I'm ready for my interview. I don't know if I like the way it rides up at the top like this, so yeah. This is how long the pants are, so they're pretty long, but this is what it looks like from the back and from the front. Very comfortable. I wish it had pockets. It would be the perfect pair of pants if it had pockets, but it doesn't, so you know. Next item I have on, you guys, is this cute flower top. When I saw it, I was like, I have to get it. But you know, we are girlies and our girlies have girlies, okay? I have to tuck in my bra a little bit. I got it in a size, again, everything I got is in the size 14 except for these pants. I got them in a size 16. Now this is what it's looking like in the back. I don't know how I'm gonna pull this off. It's very fashionable. It's giving fashionista. It's giving I'm the gift that keeps on giving. It's giving I'm the flower girl, flower child. I don't know, I thought it would be perfect for the summer, right? But I don't know how I'm gonna wear this out. How cute is this? The bottom of this, it looks like it's sticky, but I don't know. Do I like stick it in my pants? That didn't sound good, but I don't know if I tuck it in or something. With the right undergarments, I could definitely pull this look off. I like it. I actually like it. I feel like I'm naked, but I know I'm not, but I just feel naked. It's really, the material feels really nice and thick. I like the saying, I'm literally just a girl. Is it crooked or is it just me? Or is that how it's supposed to be? I don't know. Since the girls are out, literally, but they up though. This is kidding. I'm done. I feel like this is fashion, but I feel like I'm also choking, but I kind of like it. This is another cute top, right? I feel like if these pants had pockets or whatever, it would look cute, but it don't. It's giving chic. It's giving cute. I feel like when you have like basics, you could always pair it off with other things and just elevate the look. Like it just elevates it, right? Something simple. I recently got this skirt a while back, but I wanted to start wearing some more pop colors with it, and I feel like this is really, really cute for summer. So I got this yellow crop top. I'm not really a fan of showing my tatas, my boobies out like that. I don't know if I should have sized up a little bit, but it is holding the girls in together very nice and well. Like they're not moving anywhere. But this is what it's looking like in the back. So it has that little cut on the side, and I just think with this skirt you could pair it off with any type of color at the top just to make it pop. So I also got it in a jean one as well. It has a zipper. So I'm just gonna go like this because I don't have anybody to help me. But this is what it looks like with the jean, and I think it looks cute as well with the jean. Once I have somebody that can zip it up for me, it will definitely fit, and I like it with the jean. I think it's really cute, and it also gives summer vibes as well. What do you guys think? The last item we have on, your girl has been doing her tennis. I just love the tennis outfits. They look so cute, so I had to go and get this right here. I got this cute two-piece. This is what it looks like. So it's a little bit crop toppy up here. I don't think you could tuck it in because it's like it's loose. This is what the two-piece is looking like. I really like it. It's pink at the bottom. And of course, you guys, it has the pants at the bottom. So, and it also has pockets here for you to either put your phone or put some balls in while you're playing. But some people actually like to wear this just to go out without playing tennis, but I actually like it for the tennis. Yeah, it's nice and stretchy and very comfortable for me to be out on the court. Okay. Okay, just call me Serena. Okay, well, not really, I'm not there yet, but I actually like this. Your girl is in her hat era, right? Never did I think that I would be rocking hats, but I picked up these bucket hats because I just wanted to see, you know, how they look like. It comes in a pack of tan, nude or whatever, white and black. So I was gonna try it on to wear it today, but I don't know how. I don't know if it's gonna fit on my head. I don't know how. Oh, it's a little bit snug. I don't know how to feel about that. I think my head is too big. I think the wig is too big, y'all. I like that it's black on the inside so it doesn't get as, you know, like if you have makeup or whatever on. I also picked up some of these cute handbags because I've been wanting some cute little handbags to wear, but I'm not quite sure. I like the cute handbags, but I don't know if the strap is too short for me. This is what the handbag looks like. I feel like it's not that big. Let me see. Oh, but it's cute. It's like a cute little handbag. Yeah, because if I'm going out with this handbag, I'm not putting much in here. So yeah, it's not bad. It's really cute. It's a cute little handbag. I also got it in the color brown as well. It's very like sturdy material and it's red on the inside. So yeah, I like this brown one too. So like I would have it under my arms like this. So very compact, but I feel like you could fit a good amount of stuff in here. I also got another bag. This is the other one. I don't think this is the color I was looking for per se. It goes right over your shoulder. This one is definitely bigger and it comes with an extra strap, so that's perfect in case this one starts to wear out. I actually like that because, you know, sometimes when you wear the purses a lot, the strap starts to wear out, so having an extra one is a plus. So kudos to you for that. And this one has a little pocket on the inside as well, so that's not too bad. So this concludes the end of the haul. Be sure to comment down below which items that you like. In my next video, I'm going to try to do like a lookbook of like cute summer items. You can look good and be modest at the same time, which is what I'm trying to do over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I thank you guys so much for really truly tuning in, watching these SHEIN hauls, because I have a lot of fun buying and reviewing them. Everything that I purchased will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. If you are interested in this hair, it will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so check it out. Again, if you want to see more of me in your timeline, subscribe to your girl. We are almost at 1K. I'm so excited. I just want to thank you guys in advance, okay? It's been a long road and I'm just like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, Jesus. I can't believe it, Jesus. To God be the glory. And like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye.